You've been looking for a side hustle? Yeah, we get it. Jobs just don't cut it anymore. The constant grind, the bosses breathing down your neck, barely getting paid enough to exist, let alone living for the weekends, and even those go by too fast. But what if I told you we're about to change all that? What if your side hustle wasn't just some extra cash, but the start of a completely different lifestyle? I'm talking about dream house, dream car, bucket list vacations. Not someday, not maybe, I mean real results starting now. All you have to do is save people money. We actually do that for you. Let's be real. Everywhere you turn, people are complaining. Gas is up. Groceries are insane. Rent's a joke. People aren't just open to saving money. They're desperate for it. That's where you come in. Imagine this. You go out to eat and boom. Buy one meal, get one free. Discounted oil change, car wash, half price. Need a new appliance? Save hundreds. 5-star travel for 2-star prices. We've got discounts on everything. No convincing, no product switches. It's stuff people already buy. And now they just get it for less. And when they save, you get paid. It's the ultimate win-win. You're not selling, you're serving, helping people keep more of their money while building your own empire. So if you're done watching life pass you by, fill in the form. Let's get started. And let's build something real.